I need coffee. If there's not caffeine in my blood at every minute of the day, then it ain't me. What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony Rogers, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to talk about a topic that's really personal to me, and it's been brought to my attention more and more now that I've started creating these videos and documenting my life with this vlog, and it was really brought out by the fact that it is extremely awkward when you are just sitting in public talking to this camera and you have all of these people sitting around you like, what's this guy doing? Why is he talking to himself? He's so weird. What's up with that? And it really got me thinking about how much we all take time out of our day to wonder what other people think of us, especially when we're making personal decisions to better ourselves. And it's something that I know I've dealt with a lot, and that a ton of my friends, the confident ones, the insecure ones, have all had to face in their own way. And so this video is going to be my 3 best tips on how to not worry about what other people think of you. Tip number 1. So this one is key. You have to know what it is that you love. And I don't mean when you get on social media and you post a picture of you doing something and everybody's like, wow, that's so cool, good for you. Genuinely love what you're doing. And if you know what you're doing and you know that you love it, then do that thing for yourself. It's so much easier when I'm going to play music or going to make this vlog. I enjoy the process. I enjoy what I'm creating. I know that it's personal to me and that I am proud of it at the end of the day. You have to find what it is that you want to do or the decision that you want to make because you want to make it. And that requires a lot of tuning. You have to be really in tune with yourself. You have to know what it is deep down that you admire and what you like, not just because other people say it. But once you've done some soul searching and you're really able to pinpoint, well, do I like this because I like it, or do I like it because other people are praising me? Once you find that thing, it's so much easier to drown out all of the noise around you. And that really leads into my second tip, which is to have some perspective. Think about the last time you've seen someone do something bold, whether it's chasing their dreams or making a tough decision. And then think about times where that's been met with some really harsh feedback. Now, what happened a year after that? Have you kept up with it? Probably not. But that's the thing, is that we all live in the present moment, but we concern ourselves and worry so much that other people are going to have these lasting negative opinions. But literally in just a 24-hour period, you could do 50 other things that could change their opinion in a new direction. But we get so paralyzed, so crippled by just the idea that someone might judge us harshly that we end up not going through with it. We give so much weight to the opinions of other people, and we worry so much that the shots to our pride are going to be lifelong. But you know what is lifelong? Regret. And that's my third tip. Live to fight regret. If you've done your soul searching, you've done that work, you know what you love, you know the decision you want to make, but you don't go through with it, then that should drive you crazy. I know that there are things that I regret not having accomplished or not having done, and they still, to this day, will make me insane thinking about them. And I know this probably seems really obvious. A lot of what I'm saying, you're probably like, well, yeah, that's just common sense. But that's the thing, is sometimes we just need to take a step back and think about it. Well, yeah, I do like this thing. Yeah, I guess it probably wouldn't be that bad if even if people were a little mean to me. And I would rather shake that feeling that I didn't try enough. Sometimes that's it. And sometimes all of the confidence that we need is just to realize that the hardest part is all in our heads. And I hope that that's what this video has helped you to understand. So if this has benefited you or could benefit someone you know, please comment, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe. But that's all I've got for today's vlog. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you next time.